friends, let's meet our water friend, Dolphin. Can you spell that with me, please? D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. These intelligent marine mammals love to play and jump out of water. Dolphins communicate with each other using a series of clicks and whistles. Isn't that fascinating? Do you also like to know some fun facts about dolphins? They're extremely intelligent animals and they have names like us. They only sleep with half of their brain asleep. Dolphins name themselves. And do you know? Dolphins never chew their food. Isn't that very fascinating and interesting? D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin.